Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial. In this video I'm going to show how to edit forest butterfly concept photo editing tutorial. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. You can also edit your images exactly like this. All you have to do is download the background. I will give download link in the description. You can go and download there and pose the image, a simple normal portrait image, and follow my video so you can also edit your image exactly like this. Now we have to open Picsart. Okay, now let's check in the video without wasting time. Friends, now we are in Picsart application. You have to open this background directly, okay, by opening the Picsart. This is the background. Now what you have to do is, you have to directly add your model image. For this I am going to add photo and select your model image. And this is the model image I am going to use now. Now by using this cutout tool, here is the cutout. By using the cutout tool I am going to cut the only model image and I don't want the background. Okay, it will take so much of time, so I am going to do in fast forward mode. Let's do it. Friends, it is how it look like when you use the cutout tool. The finally model is ready. Now what you have to do is you have to zoom out this image and arrange this model image in the middle like this. Okay, I am going to arrange here like this. Okay, arrange it here in the center like this. Now tap on tick, done. Now what I am going to do is go to tools and go to adjust, and you have to do some adjustments. Decrease a little brightness and give a little contrast and increase the clarity, sorry, no need, and increase a little saturation and decrease, give a little highlights and the shadow, decrease the shadow and increase a little temperature. Okay, now tap on tick, perfect. Now what you have to do is you have to add the lightning png in the background, and I will give this lightning png link in the description, or you, if you want, you can go to stickers. Okay, it is the easy process. Okay, go to stickers and go to discover and simply tap lights and you can find this type of lightnings. Okay, you can find in the Picsart, no need to download these pages. Now simply go to blend, make it screen and go to opacity and decrease opacity and arrange in the background here in this position like this for this little attraction. Now tap on tick, done. Now what you have to do is you have to go to brushes. Okay, go to brush and tap on this fourth one and search for the butterflies. You can see in the last. Okay, go to butterflies and increase the size, tap here, decrease the size, select here, increase the size and arrange it here. Okay, it is too big, decrease size and arrange here and increase the little size, arrange here, decrease the size. Like this you have to arrange, perfect. Now tap on tick, done. Finally our special concept photo editing tutorial is completed. I already said it's very simple and easy steps to edit. You can see the image is somewhat blurred, but if you try with HD images it will perfect the forest butterflies concept photo editing tutorial. You can see how amazing and it is looking like very beautiful and live. Okay, and go to draw, tap on these three dots and save your image and have fun. Okay, see you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.